Cagayan de Oro, the city of golden friendship. Welcome to Housing Interactive as we talk about places you'll want to fall in love with and invest in. Known for its welcoming culture, Cagayan de Oro is a growing urban center in Mindanao. Here are 3 insights. First, there's the urban expansion. Business growth is now driving housing demand. Second, there's your rental opportunities. Increasing workforce supports leasing markets. And the third, strategic location. It serves as a gateway to northern Mindanao. So here's a question for you. Would you invest in a city that is on the rise? Located in northern Mindanao with about 730,000 residents, Cagayan de Oro offers whitewater rafting and vibrant city life. And because growth often begins quietly and accelerates over time, visit Housing Interactive and together, let's check out Cagayan de Oro.